hayi Pirates inzima bafethu Pirates inzima into esicelayo ngokuyi1 asicela into eninzi futhi sawuthula asizuningxolele emveni koko sawuthula nako social media sawuthula sicela nje nisivume. That's the only thing esicelayo kuni. Sicela nisivume because sizi champions ngapha sizi log leaders. Yonke lento ilapha kuthi abanye abantu abana next. Niza one by one siyani slice. Niza nonke siyani slice. Ya. Makenfonele headquarters. Iwase abanye babadlali bethu abathenjiweyo abekho but still Pirates inzima bafethu ngifonele ke headquarters zale GNU ngosiyayiqonda ba iGNU neGNU ine ANC yayo neyazi bosiba khona lambuthu uqhamileyo so iANC yale GNU yakwa PSL iKaizer Chiefs masiyekeze head office hello sisi ngicela office zeKaizer Chiefs ezo. Yes, uthetha naye Mutumelo Trom, speak person sabalandeli beOrlando Pirates, ne president abalandeli bebhola iAfrika yonke jikelele. Every Africa. Yeah. Indani dithandi fonela nina kodwa bendlala besidlala nani nonke. Befana manje bafonele nabanye. Hayi kaloku sisimamela. Uyayibona iGNU le yase parliament ine ANC yayo. Inalambuthu uqhamileyo uveleleyo uyayibona ne so nina sini consideration sinithatha ngoba ni ANC yale GNU yakwa PS uqolo sisi sisuka drop imamela kaloku ndicela ke phambi ngoba sigqibele khona andifuni sithethe into eninzi ndicela nje kule nto endizawuyisho wena ndicela nje ukuthi siyavuma. That's the only thing emveni koko ndikuyeke ukhululeke wenza into zakho. Ndicela uthi siyavuma. Ndiyacela sisi iPirates inzima fumani hayibo wenza njani ngowadropa udropile we are very excitement. We are the champions and log leaders. Pirates is doing extra large.
Abdeslam Odu. Now, my man, it's time for you to leave. Yeah, we've had enough. Yeah, we've had enough. My bro, you cannot win every single final you play in. No, we've had enough of you. We've had enough. Abdeslam Odu, you are an amazing coach. Go coach in La Liga, Serie A, League somewhere there, please. We've had enough. We can't tolerate this. We can't go to every single final and you win every single final you play in. Enough's enough, guys. We must be honest. This coach is going to hurt the league. This coach is going to terrorize the Betway Premiership. 3 cups. MTN8, Carling Knockout, Carling Black Label Final versus All Stars. We've had enough. Next is Nedbank Cup. And then the league. No. We've had enough. We've tasted your football. We good. No. It's enough. Every season I say, give Sundowns the league. Under Abdeslam Odu, I might say, give Pirates the league. No. Even the Impact players win 2-0. 2-0 against Carling All Stars. All Stars. They put the GNU came together and still lost. We even put together a GNU, players from all teams, and they still twerked. Orlando, when we're in trouble. Wherever Orlando Pirates step foot, every team twerks. We finished. Close the league, please. End the league now, because every single team cannot start twerking for Orlando Pirates. We're in trouble more.
Alright bafethu, iOrlando Pirates isivele yenza lokho edume ngakho yavulela induku lapha eMoses Mabhida Stadium beshaya iGNU yaku PSL. Hayi suka. The Carling Black Label All Stars. Now, the game later was a game of 2 halves. right? And on the first half, All Stars really had the Pirates on the ropes. I'll explain how and why. And on the second half, the Pirates were a better team, and they had All Stars on the ropes. I'll explain how and why. One thing that the All Stars got right on the first half is that they had ball playing midfielders or ball playing players. Right, and there was Allende, there was Mabaso Eswin. Those are ball playing players, and then they had Umfundo Vilakazi, Benon Ndlondlo, who were supposed to be playing as wingers, but those two guys are not out and out wingers. So what they did was they were inverting inside, overloading the midfield. That's number one. Secondly, you had Usalez. Usalez is not an out and out striker. So Ubemshia Uhlongwane drop it deep to come and collect the ball, and by doing that, he's adding more numbers in midfield, and as a result, Otito abakhona function, Omakaula abakhona function, Otansin bangakhona function. That's why the Pirates on the first half couldn't control the game, because the midfield was so overloaded by these players who are able to carry the ball, right? And then what the Pirates did so well second half is that babonile ukuthi no, uma singaqhubeka sidlala iswim bazosilimaza labantu asema winging, let's operate using the flanks. And when the Pirates decided to operate ngama flanks on the second half, they were able to stretch defense All Stars, as a result opening up spaces in the middle of the park so that our players can make those runs and be able to score the goals. Because if you check our goals Pirates, both of them, in fact, it defense All Stars has been stretched because they are now moving up and down the flanks. Nangale Van Rooyen, they are moving up and down the flanks. As a result, the defense has to go and look and close down those spaces. And uma bevala lama spaces lao bashia ama centimeter la eswimi. And as a result, the attacking players, the Pirates, are able to make those daunting runs. Uluthulu shy run, uhotu mnigi bola, ushay net. Uradiopane, the reason why Uradiopane had ample of space to run into is because its defense has been stretched. Uradiopane ushay Iran, ushay net, Pirates ithatha ikhaphi iphuma kanje. So great game plan by Umanqoba Mngqithi beneqembu lakhe on the first half. They had Pirates on the ropes, but also great plan by Coach Abdeslam Owadu on the second half to counter the initial plan, and as a result, the Pirates were able to score the necessary goals. Salute.
The Pirates score amagoli ayi-2. One for Sanda, one for Kaizer Chiefs. 2 goals, one for Kaizer Chiefs, one for Sundowns, and we created a history. Again and again and again, we are creating a history. Again and again. Which means we are the first ever champions, the first ever club to win against the All-Star, Black Label All-Star, because now everyone Black Label All-Star want to be strong, Ganja. Be strong. But either way, we managed to win against them. That should tell you something. Even our B team is strong enough. But either way, what I'm saying is our B team can win. They are strong enough to win. But in terms of controlling it, by the way we are used to teammate control it, the fluidity was not there. But the results are there.
What else does Orlando Pirates want to win this season, bro? Because this is getting ridiculous, man. Are you guys not bored of winning already? Because what do you mean we've assembled a team of all-star players and you've just beaten them 2-0, and it's apparently not even your first team? This is the 3rd final that these guys have won this season, bro. How do you keep doing this? Like, we are 6 months into the season. Technically, you've won a treble. At this point, just put these guys back in the CAF Champions League, man. Like, I feel like we could be missing out on an all-time season. Like, these guys are absolutely insane. And at this point, you might as well just send them to the AFCON. Like, just create a whole other country, send them to the AFCON, maybe even the World Cup, because these guys are inevitable, man. Genuinely.
Another day, another robbery by Khoza FC. Hayi, abafana bayi ningakusho nikushoyo iclub yenu ingenhla kanjani kodwa nje mina nawe iqiniso siyalazi iPirates iyaropa Khoza FC Kokelo referee buka nje game ibinhle kabi yabo nje especially first half ama team abelingana basiroba ama penalty ka2 first half na second half binde Barcelona. Yabona nje bese indaba yePirates mina yabona nje Khoza FC indaba yenu ayikho. Azinje bese indaba yenu ayikho. Vele ngicashe ngokhoza uyena vele ophula ama strings la. Sesibonile. Hawu yabona nje lakathi uMakhehle Makhawule eshaya umfundo vilakazi. Basenze sakholela ukuthi hayi ngeke umfundo uyadive asibamningi ngisho lo card. Kodwa mase sibheka kahle lana ngisho uJimmy Tawu ushilo ukuthi leya ipenalty. Ngiyazi ngizothi uJimmy Tawu ngoba support iKaizer cha. Namhlanje wonke umuntu be neutral besupporta iCarling All Stars ayikho besupport iKaizer ayikho besupportana. Ngisho Sundowns babona nje bafethu beku neutral namhlanje. Kodwa sibonile ukuthi iPirates inokhoza and ukhoza yena ohleze ivikela njalo. Le win le iyanyanyisa ngoba ni ayideserve iPirates. Kodwa ke celebrateani siyanibongela ukuthi nwini cup S3 undeservingly. Yabona nje nisingcolisela ibhola lase South Africa nini. Niyalingcolisa ibhola lezi shiphi lezi, ngcolisa ibhola. Yabona nje mfethu niyonakala nalokhoza wenu. Bafethu anidlaleni ibhola fan square. Sengibonile ileague izothatha ubani ngenxa yo referee, ngenxa ukuthi vele waphethe uchairman. Ayikho lento le into engekho le. Hawu sesiyazi ukuthi izophetha kanjani isizini. Siyabonga ukuthi iCAF yazivimbela lemgulukudu ukuthi ingaphumeleli ephambili ngoba nakhona base befuna ukuroba kwiCAF bayongena ngenkani. Buka namanje thina sivelele South Africa sivelele nje straight because ayikho competition angeba iRig. Mina sengikhalela iNedbank yethu sayiwina fan square. Fan square izothiwa nayo hayi uphinde futhi ukhokhelo ref. Bafethu Pirates ino ethi ngiyisaba nje futhi Pirates angiyisabi ngenxa ukuthi idlala ibhola elisile cha ingumsanga nePirates ngiyisaba referee referee FC nonsense FC Khoza FC rigged FC yonke into FC hayi Pirates nje mfethu izotholana mhla ka
Prophet, can Kaizer Chiefs please not make a mistake of releasing Uthulani Mabaso and Unaledi Hlongwane? These two players, Bafeto, they are the future of the Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs have made a lot of mistakes, Bafeto, releasing players from their academy like Abokuna Manindamani or Meka Mdaga, Puso Tetejane, Bafeto. These players, they are shining at other clubs, Bafeto. But please, Kaizer Chiefs, protect Uthulani Mabaso and Unaledi Hlongwane. Bafeto, especially Unaledi Hlongwane, this boy, he's going to master the art of playing a false nine position, Bafeto. The way he kept that Orlando Pirates defense busy, Bafeto. I'm impressed with this boy, Bafeto. I think this boy, he has a place in that Kaizer Chiefs team. If not this season, Bafeto, I think next season. Obviously, you want the players to be introduced because Abafunu Bafaka in the deep end, and when they have one bad game, then you will say, hey, these boys are not Kaizer Chiefs material. Please introduce them, but please do not make the mistake of releasing these two players, Bafeto. These boys, they are the future of Kaizer Chiefs, Bafeto. Salute.
That's it for your video namhlanje Bafeto. Into engayisho mina ukuthi another final, another win for your Pirates. I mean, what were you guys expecting? The Pirates there, and we are playing for a cup. Dlala imali umbokazi washo wathi inkinga imali makhona imali sofela empini kahle kahle. So yeah, ngihappy ngewini, but to be honest, the first half mfethu like I was terrified. I ngithukile because I couldn't bear the thought of losing to All Stars because it's inkulumo bekatikade bezikhuluma after that besithusa, but then first half mfethu we couldn't like in control of Ebola and also bezidlala against umoya, bro, and they into being frustrated because every time zamanje ubulit umoya yabo. So yeah, it was frustrating, but yabona into ebengifuna ukukhuluma ngayo kakhulu mfethu igame All Stars vele anyuku ukuthi so winner whatever anyuku ukuthi so winner, bro. Into ebengifuna ukukhuluma ngayo like throughout this whole week into kaMbokazi I know some of you guys might come for me uma ngisho into le, but I feel like Hugo Bruce was harsh ukuthi I'm call out ngalendlela I'm call out, but also ube nayo right ukuthi I'm call out because uMbokazi ube unprofessional. You can't figure late ekubeni unikezwe 2 days off, and also iPirates had no business whatsoever protecting uMbokazi ekubeni bayazi ukuthi uMbokazi wrong, unless makuthi iPirates nayo be involved ekubeni uMbokazi abe wrong. Because manje bethu usays iPirates isenza ama nonsense is because you guys had no business whatsoever protecting umuntu or wrong in the first place. You guys were given 2 days off to celebrate time, and bonke abanye bafikile bethi abomfukeng abombatha wena who were you unless makuthi busy ne-Pirates i-Pirates azi bokwenzani that's why kube yona ebefuna ukuprotect. But also I feel like uBruce lento le kade engahandlela like in a total different way because Mbokazi is not a Jaden Adams. U-Adams the time he called out U-Adams was not a starter kubafana bafana. U-Adams akaze aba-starter kubafana bafana, so noma ngathi umbizile wathi ngaye we don't care because sazi ukuthi u-Adams is not a starter kubafana bafana. Mbokazi uyi-start, he's a very very crucial player lapha kubafana bafana. Without Mbokazi probably we're not going to the World Cup. Ngiyadlala, but into nje ngisho ukuthi Mbokazi no-Adams abafani, you can't treat them the same way, you know, because if Mbokazi is going to the AFCON ne-mentality bhedayo bruh, we're not even making it out there group stages. We need Mbokazi in the right state of mind because he's a very crucial player lapha teamini leya. And then guys abanye they're like since Mbokazi bamcall out nabazomdrop, they're not going to drop Mbokazi because abafani beno Adams. Adams was being called out as a player. It's like the Stellenbosch. I'm sure he was playing for Stellenbosch at the time, or he was playing for Sundowns. I'm not sure, but abafani labantu laba, bro. Mbokazi is a starter. Adams was a team player. So I feel like uBruce lento le bengahandlela ngendlela ehlukile, mhlambe engabi harsh, or maybe I handle yabo behind closed doors singazi ukwenzakalani thina mfethu, because now that siyazi lento le sisipedile and now abantu sebefaka izinto zabo and lento le siba into enkulu, because right now sekuthiwa uBruce ama-charges e-UDM mfethu. How are you going to win the World Cup ekubeni ucoach wethu kusemilari mfethu? Yo, they're trying to win votes e-UDM. Okay, but first, what did you guys think about the game? And what did you guys think about Ntuli Mbokazi and this whole thing? Ningixolele ukuthi ngikhuluma fast ngiyangingiza. It's just the way I talk, bafethu. So please bear with me, bafethu. Yeah, that's it for video namhlanje, guys. I'll see you nge AFCON and make sure guys ukuthi na subscribe and a comment and a like, and yeah, I'll see you guys nge AFCON. Ngiyabonga.